Hey everybody, Will, just in time prepping. How's everybody doing today? Hey, I have this knife I want to do a review on. I've been talking about it to you guys and everything. It's about the knife, the guy from Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival Gear. He has been gracious enough to put a knife into the drawing for the 2K push. So I'm going to do a short review on the knife here, and we're going to be able to show you just exactly what he has put into the drawing for us. So nice box. Know I've talked about him before. Holtzman Guerrilla Survival Gear. Nice packaging. There we go. And here's a pocket knife. Could be a good nick knife as well. As put together with screws instead of rivets. Is a push knife. You guys see that? It's a nice looking knife. It's good to fit in your hand. See, it's got the little curve spot right there so that you have a good, you can push down on the blade and whatnot. It seems to be pretty darn sharp. Pretty amazing. Oh, look at there in the back here. Forgot to tell you guys, watch this. Built into the back of the knife right here is a ferro rod. And you see, it's got those marks on it because I was asked in a live stream to make sure it worked. So I figured, well, why not, you know, and I shall show you guys here. See those sparks that's flying? That it works very well. That it would definitely put it in the right way there, Will. There we go. Wrong way. There we go. It fits right back in there to be concealed in the handle of the knife. Like I said before, let me see. Has a Holtzman emblem etched into the knife blade itself. Like I said, I've done some reviews for this gentleman in the past. He thought it was a great idea to include this. We'll try to see if you can see that, but that's his trademark right there etched into the knife blade. See if you can see that. That's the Guerrilla. So, it's a very nice little knife. Also has a glass breaker on this other end. Let me show you. It's built right in, see there? That serrated edge. Pretty nice little knife. It's going to be in the drawing, you guys. Pretty cool little knife that has been donated to us. So don't forget to get over there and get in the drawing. I want to thank Holtzman and Guerrilla Gear for donating this to us. And some lucky person's gonna win the knife, so get over there. It's in the playlist marked 2K Push. Can't miss it. And I hope you guys have a rest of your wonderful Sunday ahead of you. Thanks for watching. See you on the tube down there. As always, it's God bless you. God bless me. God bless USA. Catch you next time. Thanks.